Hello everyone, this is Alonzo from Cool Cat Spy Gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing off one of our latest models. This is the Wi-Fi planner camera. So this Wi-Fi planner camera is a very latest addition to our collection. A Wi-Fi camera that you can easily use on your phone via Wi-Fi. You have the option of video and sound, and you have the resolution of up to 4K. You can manage everything from the bottom here. This is where you have your SD placement. You have an off and on switch, reset, as well as the charger port. This camera's got a battery life of about 5 hours, and you can operate it straight from your phone, or you can have it recording straight to an SD card, and you can also set this up via motion detection. This camera is a great camera that uses the app LookCam, which means that you can access this app anywhere, whether it's your Android phone or your Apple phone. You can easily access this and easily pair it up to your phone within a matter of minutes. It's a very great camera. You can easily find this on our website or on either one of our locations.